Hi, my name is Culver Lau from Symmetry Electronics, and today I'm going to be talking to you about Medium 1 and their new IoT kit. Medium 1 is a cloud-based platform that lets you send data up to the cloud in real time with real-time workflows. Medium 1 just recently released their new IoT kit using a Thunderboard Sense 2 from Silicon Labs and a pre-configured Raspberry Pi. Let me show you how it works. Here we have the Thunderboard Sense 2 from Silicon Labs, as well as the Raspberry Pi. Now for more information on the Thunderboard Sense 2, be sure to check out our previous videos. We've already connected the Raspberry Pi to the Thunderboard Sense 2 using Bluetooth. So we go to Medium 1's website. Here's Medium 1's cloud application. I'm not going to be going over the dashboard, just know that you can see real-time data using one of their widgets. If you want to learn more about this, you can visit Medium 1's website and read their documentation. Instead, I'm going to be going over to Workflow Studio. Here you can set up workflows using Python. I've already set up a script called coalmine canary. The canary will alert an employee when its CO2 levels get too low, and I'll activate this by blowing some air onto the canary. Hey, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on IoT, modules, dev kits, and more. And remember, Symmetry's team of application engineers are always available to help you with your next design. For all things wireless, IoT, and video, Symmetry Electronics has you covered.